Da 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 da. Hi everybody, it's Mr. Alqamoussi, and today we're going to be exploring adjectives and adverbs. Let's recall that a sentence is fundamentally composed of a happening and a cause or maker of that happening, which are called the verb and the noun. All sentences contain at least one noun and one verb, but sometimes more is needed in the sentence to clarify or develop its meaning. Sometimes a noun needs to be specified or described. To do this, we use the part of speech called the adjective, or the adjectival phrase. Similarly, when we need to describe or specify a verb, we can use the adverb or adverbial phrase. In this lesson, we're going to explore each of these parts of speech with definitions and examples. So first, we'll begin with the adjective. An adjective describes nouns or noun phrases. For instance, in this example, the noun dog can be further described or specified. And any word or phrase which can describe the dog is an adjective. In addition to their function in the sentence, adjectives tend to have some common suffixes. These suffixes can, but don't always indicate that the word is an adjective. Now let's examine adverbs. While adverbs most commonly describe verbs, they can also describe adjectives, as well as other adverbs. In this example, the noun boy is doing the past tense verb of laugh. And any word or phrase which describes how the boy laughed, in other words, describes the verb, is an adverb. These examples show some other functions of adverbs. In the first two sentences, the adverbs very and so are describing the adjectives tall and beautiful. In the third sentence, the adverb to is describing the other adverb quickly. And in the final example, thankfully is an adverbial way of elaborating on the verb made. And just like adjectives and other parts of speech, some suffixes are common to adverbs, the most common one being the suffix ly. Now let's practice what you've learned so far. Number your page from 1 to 6. In a moment, you'll see some short sentences on the screen. Try to identify the adjective or adverb in each sentence. Remember that there can be more than one. As an additional challenge, also try to identify the word which is being modified by the adjective or adverb. These could be nouns, verbs, adjectives, or adverbs. Let's begin. And now, here are the answers. Thanks for watching.